Hey there, friends. I am back with another home tour. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Norma, and in today's video, we are going to be touring this stunning two-story model home by TriPointe Homes. This home is located in Cypress, Texas, inside the beautiful master plan community of Bridgeland. I can't tell you how much I love this neighborhood. It's such an amazing place. This home sits in an 80-foot lot. And as of today, September 16, 2021, this home is priced at $750,900 US. Now, please keep in mind that prices are subject to change. Now, as you've seen, the exterior is such a beautiful exterior. I love the modernist architecture. As you enter the home, it has a beautiful grand entrance. As you can see, it's a two-story open concept floor plan. Downstairs, we have a study room, we have a dining room, and not one, but two kitchens. That's right, two kitchens. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. I would love to know. Upstairs, we do have a game room, we have a media room, and in total, 5 bedrooms. 2 are located downstairs, including the master bedroom. On the exterior, on the backyard, we do have a covered patio ready for those beautiful fun summer nights. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. I hope you guys get inspired by the beautiful decor, which I am loving. Please don't forget to give me a like, hit that like button if you enjoy the tour, and consider subscribing to my channel for more new upcoming tours. Also, if you will love more details and information on the builder or on this home itself, I'll have all the details down in the description box. So make sure you go visit and check out the description box in case you want more details as far as square footage and HOA and property tax and all that stuff. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the tour, and I'll see you guys on the next one.